Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Let's rally behind Maria Tisa Manalo in her quest to become the Miss Cosmo 2024 Social Ambassador. Every like, comment, and share on the social media on the official Miss Cosmo Facebook page matters, and each action earns her a valuable point. So let's show our full support. Make sure you engage with her post as much as possible. Encourage your friends, family, and everyone you know to do the same. Our collective effort can help Atisa secure the win. And she's representing the Philippines with grace and determination, and together we can make sure she stands out in the competition. So let's make our votes count. Ilaban natin ang Pilipinas, guys. Road to 1 million votes for Maria Tisa Manalo is on. Let's continue flooding the votes for her to secure the title of Miss Cosmo 2024 Social Ambassador. Every like, comment, and share counts, so let's keep the momentum going strong. Atisa is giving her all to represent the Philippines. And now it's our turn to show unwavering support. Patuloy tayong bumoto para kay Atisa dahil bawat boto ay isang hakbang palapit sa tagumpay. So encourage your friends, family, and communities to vote. Together, we can make a difference and ensure the Philippines shine bright on the Miss Cosmo stage. So let's meet the stunning queens of Group 3 on the Miss Cosmo. Miss Cosmo Colombia, Maria Alejandra Salazar. Miss Cosmo Spain, Alexandra Cucu. Miss Cosmo Peru, Romina Lozano. Miss Cosmo South Africa, Lebuhang Raputse. Miss Cosmo Brazil, Cristeli Moniz Camargo. Miss Cosmo Singapore, Jade Wu. Miss Cosmo Guyana, Misha Caleb. Miss Cosmo Nigeria, Blessing Tamilade Alimi. And Miss Cosmo United States of America, Samantha Elliott. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!